Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because MSVCP140.DLL is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Visual C++ AIO, and then you're going to go on to this link from techpowerup.com, and once you're here, you're just going to click download. You're going to select any server. So I'm going to select that one because it has 0% load. So just go ahead and download this C++ runtimes. And once they are done downloading, you can go ahead and install them. And after they are done installing, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that you will not get that MSVCP140.DLL error anymore. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.